Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's face it, money is a major stressor in many relationships. Between bills, groceries, that surprise weekend getaway you both desperately need, but maybe can't quite afford, finances can turn date night into debate night faster than you can say overdraft. But what if there was a way to work together, get on the same financial page, and maybe even have some fun doing it? That's where budgeting apps for couples come in. Today, we're diving deep into pocketguard and whether it can be your financial fairy godparent. So, can pocketguard save your relationship and your wallet? First things first, pocketguard isn't specifically designed for couples. But fear not, lovebirds. It has some powerful features that can be a real game changer for your financial future together. Here's the skinny on pocketguard. Automated tracking. This app is all about saving you time and effort. It automatically connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, sucking in your transactions like a financial black hole. No more scrambling for receipts or late-night spreadsheet sessions. Budgeting made easy, pocketguard creates a personalized budget based on your income and spending habits. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your financial goals. In My Pocket feature, this is where things get interesting for couples. This feature shows you exactly how much spendable cash you have after bills and other obligations are covered. No more wondering if that fancy dinner is a green light or a red flag for your budget. Bill reminders, never miss a due date again. pocketguard keeps you on top of all your bills, so those pesky late fees don't come between you and your partner. Spending insights. This app doesn't just track your money, it analyzes it. See exactly where your cash is flowing, identify areas to cut back, and maybe even discover some hidden spending habits, looking at you, Mr./Ms. Late Night Online Shopper. But is it perfect? Not quite. Now, before you two run off and download pocketguard in a fit of financial frenzy, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Shared login or separate accounts. pocketguard doesn't currently offer a built-in way for couples to share a budget. You can either use the same login, which might not be ideal for everyone, or create separate accounts and manually share information. Limited customization. The free version of pocketguard offers basic budgeting categories. Upgrading to pocketguard Plus gives you more flexibility, but it does come with a subscription fee. Focus on individual spending. While pocketguard's insights are valuable, it might not be the most romantic way to discuss finances. Be prepared to have open conversations and make compromises as you navigate your budget together. So, is pocketguard right for you? Here's the deal. pocketguard is a fantastic budgeting tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It can definitely help you and your partner get on the same financial page, but it won't solve all your money woes. Here's who pocketguard is perfect for. Couples who want a simple and automated way to track their finances. Partners looking for insights into their spending habits. Those who appreciate a visual representation of their budget. On the other hand, pocketguard might not be the best fit for couples who are uncomfortable sharing financial information. Those who prefer a highly customized budgeting experience. Partners who need a budgeting app that fosters romantic financial discussions. The final verdict: communication is key. Ultimately, the success of any budgeting strategy, with or without pocketguard, boils down to communication. Use the app as a tool to spark conversations, set joint financial goals, and hold each other accountable. Remember, a strong financial foundation is essential for a healthy relationship. So, download pocketguard, have those money talks, and maybe even use the In My Pocket feature to plan a romantic date night you can both afford. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.